Hey guys, Chet here. Today I'm comparing Brevo and Instantly, two platforms that serve very different but equally important roles in modern marketing. One focuses on full scale email and multi channel automation, while the other is all about cold email outreach, lead generation, and sales acceleration. So by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link we put down below. Also, you'll get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything that you need to know to master that platform step by step. Now, let's get started. First, let's start with an overview. Brevo is made for businesses that want an all in one marketing hub. It can manage email marketing, SMS, WhatsApp campaigns, automations, CRM activities, sign up, forms, transactional emails, and even web tracking. It's built for users who want everything in one place without juggling multiple tools. Instantly, on the other hand, focuses on one thing and does it extremely well, which is cold outreach. It helps you send cold emails at scale, warm up new domains, manage sales pipelines, and even find leads using its built in database. Instead of being a general marketing platform, Instantly positions itself as a fast, high volume sales outreach engine that is perfect for agencies, B2B teams, and founders. Let's talk about features. Brevo is strong because it covers many parts of your marketing. You can design emails easily using the drag and drop editor, segment your contacts, build automated workflows, create landing pages, send transactional messages, and communicate through email, SMS, and WhatsApp. It also includes a rather simple CRM to help you stay organized. Now, Instantly, however, is built purely for outreach. It lets you connect multiple email accounts, warms up your domains so that your messages stay out of spam, rotates inboxes automatically, and sends emails in a smart, natural pattern. You can build cold email sequences, track deliverability, and use Instantly leads to search through a large database of business contacts. Now, their CRM also supports calls, texts, and sales forecasting. So, if you think about it, Brevo is like a complete marketing toolkit that covers all channels. Instantly is more like a focused sales engine built for speed and outbound volume. Let's look at the user experience. Brevo keeps everything clean and beginner friendly. The layout is simple and it's easy to understand where features are located. It's great for small teams or users who don't want something complicated. Instantly has a more energetic, sales focused feel. It's not difficult to use, but it is designed with outreach specialists in mind. If you're new to cold email, there's a small learning curve, but once you set up your inboxes and sequences, it really becomes incredibly powerful. Now let's talk about integrations. Brevo connects with most popular marketing and e-commerce tools like Shopify, WordPress, Stripe, WooCommerce, Zapier, HubSpot, and Salesforce. It fits well into traditional marketing stacks. Instantly integrates with Zapier, Make, HubSpot, Pipedrive, Salesforce, Clay, and other sales-oriented tools. And now it has fewer integrations than Brevo, but the ones it offers are really optimized for outbound and sales operations. Now, for pricing, who wants to hear the numbers? Brevo's starter plan starts at $9 per month. Standard is $18 per month. And the professional plan is $499 per month. Of course, there is an enterprise plan. You'll need to contact sales. It has custom pricing. Instantly keeps its pricing in three groups. For outreach, plans start at $37, then $97, then $358 per month. For super search, pricing starts at $47, then goes to $97, then $197. Their CRM plans are either $47 or $97 per month, depending on the level. So, which one should you choose? If you want a complete marketing platform that covers everything email, SMS, WhatsApp, CRM, automation, transactional messaging, Brevo is the best fit. But if your main goal is just cold email, lead sourcing, and scaling outbound campaigns fast, Instantly is a good choice. If you want to get started with Brevo, make sure to use that link below. It gives you 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months and unlocks that full Brevo course that teaches you really in-depth how to use the platform. Well, that wraps up this comparison. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.